Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? So the very important question of Shiba Inu holder is Shiba Inu coin a good for investment? Exactly, my friend. I will answer you, and absolutely, as you can see, my brother, I already, my friend, research very highly, but this time I found very good answer for all holder. So let's see, my brother. I will explain you, but kindly subscribe this channel and like this video for more this type of videos. Now, please, if you have any question about Shiba Inu, so then ask me in the comment box. I will answer you just in only, my friend, in one day, and my friend, and make specially make video for you, my brother. So kindly, if you have any question, ask me in a comment box. Let's see, my brother, but kindly like video and subscribe this channel. All right, this time, my friend, the question is a Shiba Inu coin is good for investment? So answer, as Shiba Inu a good for investment for you if you want to look in your digital wallet and see millions, billions, or even trillions of something, focus, my friend, what I tell you. Listen, you want not do better than Shiba Inu, but few experts will recommend that as a sound investment. Yes, absolutely, my friend. Exactly, all experts, my friend. If you search on YouTube, I hope, my friend, you just only found this answer to a Shiba Inu is very very good, my friend, for investment. Absolutely, you could hear this. You found one answer, one sound to this is good, my friend, for investment. So, my friend, I hope if you check out on Twitter, especially the expert says this, my friend, to read this is one of the good and fastest coin, my friend, for investment. So I hope, my friend, you also understand now. So without any doubt, my friends, go now invest. I hope, my friend, this is very good for a short time investor, especially. So if you want to in a short time very good profit, and I hope, my friend, they will give you a very good profit. They take a jump very huge. So I like this coin especially for this, because, my friend, when Elon Musk promote this coin, so they take a very huge jump now. So let's see, my brother. Absolutely, I hope you understand what I tell you. This is very good for investment. So without any doubt, invest now and hold. I hope, my friend, if you hold just only in 1 month, they will give you a very good price now, and the price is also very cheap. So without any doubt, invest. Thanks for watching, Shiba Inu holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.